This digital training resource is designed to show the Spirit Lake High School faculty how to add Iowa core standards to outcomes in a Moodle course. If you haven't yet watched the training on how to add a completion tracked Moodle course, click here. The first step to adding an outcome in a Moodle course is to select the category your course is housed in. Once in the correct category, select your course. In the Administration Settings drop-down menu, click on Outcomes. Once you are in the Outcomes page, select Edit Outcomes. Scroll to the bottom of the Moodle page and select Add a New Outcome. The next page will ask you to add basic information about your outcome. In the Full Name box, you should type in the full name of the Iowa core standard you wish to add to your course. In the short name, you should add the Iowa core standard code. Next, you should select your department's grading scale from the drop-down menu. Give a description of the outcome standard in the description box. This can be a summary, I can statements, or the standard's benchmarks. Here is an example of the filled in information. When you are finished, click Save Changes. Once you have all the information submitted, you can select the outcome you created from the list and choose Add. The outcome is now able to be assessed in your Moodle course. If you would like to review a section of the training, please select one of the following options: Introduction, Adding an Outcome, Outcome Description, or Selecting an Outcome.